Hello and welcome back to our channel guys. And today we are diving into Real Madrid's massive 2-0 win over Villarreal with standout performances from Valverde and Vinicius Jr. at the Santiago Bernabeu. So before we dive in, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and ring the bell icon for all the latest football updates. Now let's get into the action. Real Madrid head coach Carlo Ancelotti played this game with a 4-4-2 formation in which he started Andre Lunin at goal, Daniel Carvajal at right back, Aurelien Tchouameni and Rudiger were the two centre backs, and Ferland Mendy played this game at left back. In midfield, Valverde started this game alongside Camavinga, Bellingham and Luka Modric, while in attack, Kylian Mbappe started this game alongside Vinicius Jr. as a centre forward. While Villarreal head coach Marcelino played this game with a 4-3-3 formation in which he started Diego Conde at goal, Femenia at right back, Raul Albiol and Costa were the two centre backs, and Cardona started this game at left back. In midfield, Daniel Parejo started this game alongside Comaisana and Guai, while in attack, Nicolas Pepe started this game at right wing, Alex Baena at left wing, and Thierno Barry started this game as a centre forward. So guys, Real Madrid returned to winning ways with a crucial 2-0 victory over Villarreal at the Santiago Bernabeu, thanks to goals from Federico Valverde and Vinicius Jr. Valverde opened the scoring with a deflected shot that nestled into the bottom corner. Villarreal, who came into this match in a fine form, struggled to cope with the pace of the game. And then it was Vinicius Jr. who sealed the win with an absolute rocket from long range, leaving the Villarreal keeper with no chance and the Bernabeu crowd roaring in delight. Villarreal fought hard and even thought they had a penalty, but an offside decision denied them a lifeline. But Real Madrid dominated for most of the game with Vinicius and the returning Kylian Mbappe wreaking havoc in the Villarreal defense. Unfortunately, the night ended on a sore note with Daniel Carvajal being stretched off after a late injury. It looked serious and you could see how much pain he was in. We hope it's not as bad as it seemed and we wish him a speedy recovery. So guys, now let's take a look at the match stats. Real Madrid took a total of 11 shots in which only 2 of them were on target, while Villarreal took a total of 12 shots in which only 1 of them were on target. Real Madrid had 56% of possession while Villarreal had 44% of possession. Real Madrid completed 646 passes while Villarreal completed 514 passes. Real Madrid had 91% of passing accuracy while Villarreal had 90% of passing accuracy. Real Madrid committed 7 fouls while Villarreal committed 11 fouls. Real Madrid didn't got any yellow card while Villarreal got 1 yellow card. So that's all for today guys. Real Madrid's 2-0 win means they are now level on points with Barcelona and the title race is heating up. What did you think of the match? Drop your thoughts in the comment section down below and don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more football content. See you in the next one. Thank you.